Behind there is where I slept last night. It was good because there is kind of a cistern. There was a concrete basement and I could sleep on concrete, and it was pretty dry and sunny this morning, so good night. So now I'm going back down there. On the motorway there is a restaurant, and in front of the restaurant last night there was people selling watermelons, so hopefully I get a watermelon. They are very cheap and they are farmed here in the area, so those ones are watermelons. I could go there and maybe grab one, but yeah, I don't want to be shot. And sometimes people give me a watermelon for free. So then I'll do the motorway, get to that town, maybe buy some data for my mobile phone, and then continue. I have to cross those mountains, and then I should be arriving to a very special place tonight. We'll see if I get there, then I'll show you. The shack with the watermelons. The watermelon. The watermelon. The happy guy eating a watermelon. One watermelon costs about, depending on the places, sometimes it costs 40 cents, 50 cents, up to €1. Pretty good. And it gives you lots of calories. Okay, I got to the place quicker than expected because I used the main road instead of doing huge climbing. I'm a bit disappointed. As all touristy things, it's gated. You have to pay $10 to get in. There's not much water. And can you see the long queue of people walking up? Look how many people up there. It looks like the queue at the Mount Everest. Yeah, there's not much water. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do here. I think I'll just have a look around and go. I might see if there is some trails that they go up back so that I don't have to pay. I mean, it would be nice to get into one of these pools, but even these pools are closed. There is a little lake there, but I don't know if you can access. And it's always a problem when you get to these places where to leave my bike, my belongings. It's even if I was willing to pay the entry fee, I mean, I don't know, it seems more an hassle than anything. I'll have a look at the map now and take a decision. Okay guys, the site is pretty much gated all over. There are some trails that goes up there, and I'm sure they are guarded at the top, and yeah, I don't think it's worth, and I should leave my bike unattended here. There's not much water. See, it's dry. I don't even know if there is much to see, so I think I'm just gonna call it a day and keep going. And I'll have a look a little bit more around, but I don't think I will go in. It's just not worth it. Maybe if there was if I was with a few people, we can do an adventure and just, you know, hike up and like this. No, I don't feel like it's worth it. So it was a nice detour to come here because I went through an incredible road yesterday afternoon in the forest. It was wonderful. So in a way it was worth it, but the touristy spot, not worth it at all, because so many people up there and it's very, very touristy. The restaurants are run by Chinese. It's like Venice. Not worth it. Okay, let me go have a look around those tracks. I'm gonna go up a little bit and just go around, and then call it a day towards Izmir, where I'll be doing my conference on the 27th. Bike lane. That's good. I don't have to worry about I don't have to worry about an asshole getting too close to me. When it's getting dark, sometimes you have to make a quick decision on where to camp, and sometimes a graveyard is actually the best spot. First of all, there was no villages. There was no villages for a while. Second of all, it's a kind of a valley. Not sure, but we are in between mountains, and the valleys are where there is the farming, and so there's lots of water, and they get very humid at night, and it's camping in a humid spot is very uncomfortable. So this graveyard is on a little hill. Not sure you can appreciate it, but it's a little higher than other places, and this gave me the chance to have a very dry night compared if I was camping in some piece of land just a little below. All in all, was a nice rest, and it was a good call. I was very peaceful and nobody bothers me. I could hear lots of dogs, but the graveyard is walled, so it's good choice. So don't be afraid. There's nothing to be afraid. We're all gonna end up here, dust to dust, but not for today or for now. There could be a chance that I'm dying today, yeah, but for now I'm still alive. I'm gonna pack and hit the road. See ya. Today I want to talk to you about a common problem about camping and about tents, and this is the problem. See, in this case many people would just run to the local market to find someone that replace the zipper. In most cases there is no need to replace the zipper. You only need this tool. You need 2 pliers, right? And you need to squeeze the bottom part of. This morning I had breakfast with figs and grapes, white grapes, very sweet. I think soon they're gonna do the harvest, but now I'm gonna snack on the pomegranate as well, because I've been seeing pomegranates for the last few weeks. In this area there are so many, and it looks like now they're getting ripe. So yeah, as soon as I'm out of this road and I find some shade and a nice place to sit down with a fountain, I will have my pomegranate. If it's good, if they're ready, I will start to get 3-4 every day. I would like to get to Izmir tomorrow because I have to prepare my presentation. I want to get some postcard printed, and I want to try to find someone, a precision mechanic, that can drill out the bolt that is in my fork, because as it is at the moment, my front rack is not firmly attached to my fork, and it's giving me problem, and I don't think it's gonna last. Something is gonna break sooner rather than later. But the main road to get to Izmir, it's pretty boring, and I was following a route that is mostly flat in the farmland valley, but then I saw these mountains, and yeah, I decided to turn right and head to Izmir from this way. Although I have to climb more than 1,000 meters now. Which is kind of stupid and useless. But I'm gonna camp in a nice spot tonight, I'm pretty sure, and it will be worth it. And hopefully I'll be dry. I'll wake up very early tomorrow morning, and it's gonna be a very long day to get to Izmir. And hopefully I will have some internet connection tonight, so I can sort my host in Izmir, because I still haven't got any confirmation from host. But I'm sure something will come up. Already I feel nice in these hills, and I'm not even there yet. I did 90 kilometers so far. It would be nice if I could do another 20, but I'm not sure because it's all climbing and it's already 5 o'clock. Yeah, I should be able to do at least 20 kilometers. Let's see.